even when I was a child and I used to go to my village, I used to explore the tracks and trails and what new routes I can find. So when I saw this opportunity with Indiahikes, where I can explore any trail, any well-defined trail on my own, I was very excited, and that was the main reason, just to explore. Because yes, when you go along with the group setting, you explore a lot of things, but this DIY trek gives you an opportunity to explore on your own terms. So you can take your own time, you can find out your own trail, you can plan everything on your own settings, and yeah, it give you another opportunity to explore. So exploration was the main thing for me.
A very basic thing like water. We had to plan when to go and get the water, and we had to calculate how much water would be needed for cooking, how much would we need for drinking, what if we run out of water in the middle of the night. So all those calculations never happens on a regular trek. All that changes when you're doing a DIY.
I think the biggest challenge for me was in terms of the fitness. Usually when I go on a hike or trek with Indiahikes, my backpack is like 6-7 kilos, and I know that I'll be those people who are in the front of the trail. But yes, I was able to carry 16-17 kilos of the backpack during the ascent. But I felt that it could have been better if I was more prepared in terms of the fitness. It was because it's not just about running 5 kilometers in 45 minutes. There's certain elements to that when you carry a heavy backpack. The fitness is the biggest takeaway for me from this.
My biggest challenges was the descent part, because the slope was very slippery and due to the snow yesterday. And second thing was food. Yes, we'll be coming better prepared with it the next time. Weight, obviously, since this was my first trek, so I had no idea how much weight and everything I will be carrying to the mountains.
We were fit to trek, but I don't think we were fit to do a DIY trek. Mainly because not fit, prepared, I would say. That was one of the things that that came out as a realization for us.
I think the planning and flexibility again is the most important part. You cannot just go that we will do this on day one and we will cover this much kilometers or height on day one. You always have to respect what mountains brings to you. You always have to respect the weather, and you need to keep evaluating your options, modifying whatever you are trying to achieve in that, and go ahead with that. So just don't come with a narrow mind. Just don't come with the prospect that it all will happen in 4 days, 5 days. You always have to be ready. Just be open to this concept. There are a lot of learnings through the DIY trek, and you will definitely come back becoming a better person. So definitely try it once, but be prepared.